So let's jump right into it. I started off with the boho goddess crochet braids. It's the kind with the looped ends. I just figured it'd be easier than braiding individual hair. Start off with a dome mesh cap. That's the cap. All you need is some scissors, a hot glue gun. I got this particular one from Walmart with the glue sticks. Then I had these stretchy headbands and fabric glue. I don't know about the fabric glue. I didn't really use it because I was scared that it was gonna get stuck to the actual mannequin head, so I ended up not even using it. As you can see, you don't want to glue the braid down onto the band because that's where your strap will go, your headband will go. So yeah, this is just me showing how the hair looks. It's a pretty long braid and it has the little boho pieces, the goddess pieces hanging out, and so I thought that would make the style more flexible and versatile, not so much as stiff. So I'm going in right now and I'm just hot gluing it on. Y'all forgive me if I'm moving super slow, but I'm not very much so a crafty person. So yeah, that's why I'm going super slow with this hot glue gun. I'm not used to using them, so I'm still getting the feel and the hang of the whole thing. And by the way, this is my absolute very first time ever trying this hairstyle, so if y'all are looking at my video for reference, girl, we are learning together, because you know, as you'll see along later on in the video, that it's trial and error going on. I definitely learned what to do better and what not to do at all, but yeah, you'll see it later on in the video. And now I'm just going in, just adding a few pieces. Yeah, that glue does get on there and get hard, but after that, you can just easily clean up. So right here I started actually going in at like a slight angle around the towards the front of the cap, because I don't know, I just felt like I didn't want it to be all straight and uniform. So believe it or not, I actually ended up running out of hair by like 2 or 3 pieces. So I did something very ghetto, very janky, y'all. Don't judge me. I ended up getting an old synthetic ponytail that I had that I don't wear anymore, and I cut a few pieces, like 2 pieces out of it. I tacked it to my mannequin head, y'all, and I braided that thing up to look similar to the exact same braids, because it was all the same color hair, that dark 1B color. So yeah, I just ended up braiding 2 of those pieces together, and you'll see that I just glued them on and blended them in with everything else. So yeah, that was it. So at this point, I finished the braid, and what I'm doing is I'm just sealing off the beginning of that braid, because the part where I cut it from the ponytail, it was still attached to a track. So I'm just sealing it up with some of the glue so that, you know, it won't be any shedding or hair sticking out. And I'm just gonna put some of that glue on the end of that piece, of that track piece, and then I'm just gonna apply it back to the cap to blend in with the other braids. And don't worry about that little piece that's at the beginning of the braid that I'm gonna apply. Once you put your headband on or your scarf or whatever, you won't even be able to see it. So yeah. So as y'all can see, I barely got it in at the last minute. Like, I only did two of the little freestyle braids, and I barely got enough in, so I was so lucky. Alrighty, now that I'm complete, I'm just gonna attempt to pull all the braids up into a bun. Not something so neat, just a quick messy bun, just to get an overall look and feel of the unit. Yeah, overlook all this dried up glue. I was too lazy to just go back in and neaten it out, but I definitely will at a later time. But yeah, now I'm just, you know, messing around with the bun, trying to get a good look and fit for it. And after that, I'm just gonna pop this baby on. So stay tuned. So now it's time to apply the headband to it. I don't know why I got a gray headband. I wish I would have just gotten a black one, but yeah, for the sake of this video, I think it works. So you just want to fit it around. I see some people sew their headbands down. I didn't really have the time to do that, so going in with my ebony edge control. I really love this stuff so much, so I'm just going in, giving myself some cute little swirls of baby hairs along the edges, and got my natural hairs twisted up in preparation for a twist out style that I was gonna do at a later date. But instead of just braiding my hair down, I just pinned it up into a little ball with my twist. So I don't think it's necessary to actually have to braid your hair down for this particular wig cap that I'm doing today. So now I'm just going in, I'm gonna finally apply the wig. And yeah, y'all, don't be like me. The wig actually ended up getting completely stuck to the freaking mannequin, so I had to like peel with all my might to get it off, and that was what the inside of the wig ended up looking like due to like the canvas of the mannequin being stuck all. It was a mess, a hot ass mess. Anyway, so yeah, now that it's on, you see that it's kind of like pulled up into like this cone shape at the top. So now I'm just gonna go in, take down that bun, and what I will say is, I don't know if it's because the braids are pulled up into like an upward position, but I had a hard time with this thing staying on. Like, you'll see I just kept readjusting it, and I don't know, I guess I did something wrong, or you know, I'll try again when I make another one, but it's not very secure. So I would recommend, rather than wearing a headband, I do a scarf. And you're gonna see that I'm gonna actually get rid of that headband. I'm gonna pull out my old handy scarf, and that is what I would recommend. So yeah, so now I'm just going in, recreating a whole new bun. There you go, just a quick messy bun, nothing perfect, nothing too meticulous. So now I have my scarf, no longer doing the headband because I need security in my life, girl. So I'm just quickly just wrapping that around, no particular way. And I'm just getting that on there right now. I know some people like their scarves, you know, with the bow in the front, bow in the back, or not in the front. Anything, whatever your preference is, either way will work for this style. As you can see, I was gonna start off with the bow, and I was like, nah. So I went ahead and just tucked it in, made it a little knot, a quick little knot that was tucked in under the scarf. That's more my preference. But again, you know, whatever you like, it's up to you. No pressure. So now that I got it all tucked away, I would say that I am done. Just messing around with the bun a little bit, but for the most part, that's it. I think it's a quick and easy solution to something to just throw on and go. Like I said, trial and error. I learned what to do, what not to do. Yeah, still got some glue pieces in there, but you can just always go back in and pull that out. But that's about it, y'all. So still don't know how I feel about it, but let me know what y'all think down in the comments below, or what I did wrong, or what you would have done different. Thank y'all. See y'all later.